Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making bottle gourd thalipat. It is also called thalipit and raw mango onion chutney. So let us start. Thalipat for mix we want different types of flours. I added wheat flour. This is rice flour, jawar flour and besan. So let us add all the vegetables. Here I am adding carrot, onion and bottle gourd. We can add any vegetable which is having lot of water in that, like radish, cucumber. And here I am making a paste which I am going to add in the thalipat mixture. So green chilies and the stems of coriander leaves and coriander, jeera, turmeric powder, little salt. So we should make a fine paste out of this. Adding little water. See, our paste is ready. And adding salt according to the taste. Curd will give nice taste to the thalipat, so I am adding curd. You can add buttermilk also. And first we should not add water here or more curd also. First we have to mix it properly. So according to the how much water quantity we want very less water, because already all the vegetable is having water and this paste is also watery. See how I am adding very less quantity of water is needed. Our dough consistency should be like this. It should not be very hard, otherwise our thalipat will becomes very hard. It is like this. So keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. Now I am making chutney here. This is a dry coconut and raw mangoes, onion. This chutney is very famous in summer seasons because we get raw mango, and this is my childhood memory. Salt, then jaggery, chili powder. Chili powder, it is all depending on you people how much you want spice, like that you can add. This is methi powder, which I roasted the methi and powdered it. Little jeera. So grind it. Here no need of water, we can grind it because mango is having water and jaggery, onion also will leave the water. Our chutney is ready. I am giving tadka here. This is simple tadka with mustard, jeera and one dry chili curry leaves. Our chutney is ready. So let us make thalipat. I am showing how to make thalipat. Like it is a very take butter paper or banana leaf, make small balls like this and keep tapping on the butter paper like this. We should do it very gently and we have to spread it, become thin. Yeah. So and also they will be in the shape also, it is looking round. So put like this on the tawa. Press it little bit. Hold paper in hand and remove like this. Yeah. And close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. One side, flip it other side. We have to see that it should cook properly. Our thalipat is ready. So let us serve the thalipat. This is mango onion chutney. I learned this from my mother. If thalipat is hot, we can have this with butter or ghee. If it becomes cold, you can have with curd also. It tastes very well. our thalipat and chutney is ready. I hope you all like this recipe and you will try it. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.